Hi everyone, today we are going to be opening up this mommy package LPS. So let's go ahead and open her up. So here we have is the mommy. She has cute blue eyes, a green bow, and like an orange yellowish beak and feet. So let's go ahead and make her stand. Oh, let me show you guys the back. Here is the back, how she looks, and the front. So there we go. And let's give her a little bobble. Bobble, 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 bobble. Okay, that's enough for a little Miss Birdie. So now we have the little cute adorable baby. She's really adorable, I have to say. She has like light blue eyes, as you guys can see, and not mostly like an orangey yellowish beak. It's mostly like a yellow beak instead. Okay, the mom just fell down. So that is our baby. Let's turn her around. Really adorable. Let's go ahead and stand and back it up. There we go. There we go. And the baby actually did come with a little pacifier. So here is this cute, let me show it a little closer to you guys. Okay, here is this cute, adorable little pacifier. And it's like a little butterfly. The design's like a little butterfly, so that's really cute. So let's go ahead and put that on her. Okay, now she has her cute little pacifier. Okay, let me just show it up to you guys close again. Here is her with her pacifier. Really adorable. So that is everything that it came with, and it also came with a flyer, which I'll show you guys right now. There we go. Now we made the baby stand. Let's push her a little. Oh my gosh. So this baby just likes to fall. So let's try it one more time. Come on, baby, stand. Okay, so let's just go ahead and undo the flyer. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the flyer. Here is the flyer it came with. And there's also more in the back. So that's the little flyer it came with. Now let's try one more time to get this baby to stand or to sit. There we go, finally. Finally. She's finally sitting down actually. So there is my mommy package. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.